Design is a complex process involving teams of engineers and designers, project managers, contractors, and suppliers spread across multiple locations and time zones. With old CAD and PDM, keeping track of who has your files, who is working on them, and if deadlines will be met on time is an impossible task, involving endless email threads, progress meetings, and design reviews. Onshape has eliminated these hassles by enabling entire teams to work on the same projects together from anywhere on any device. And by recording every design change, you can see who did what and when. However, some companies demand even more control over their design process and their data. Onshape Enterprise is Onshape's premium offering that delivers unprecedented visibility into your design process, with detailed activity tracking, real-time analytics, and secure control of your data with comprehensive audit logs, centralized reporting, and role-based access control. Every employee, contractor, or supplier must sign into your unique domain to access your company data. A real-time activity feed delivers up-to-the-minute information on the latest project developments. This enables teams to review the active state of the projects they are working on and what changes have been made. You can filter by project, read and reply to comments, and check activity by document or by user. Projects, unique to Onshape Enterprise, provide a convenient and secure way to manage multiple Onshape documents and other project-related data. Configurable permission schemes and role-based access ensure security for each project remains in line with your company's policies, prevents mistakes, and reduces repetition to ensure that your company data can only be accessed by authorized users. As projects evolve, permission schemes may become more relaxed to enable other stakeholders to access the data they need. Keeping a close eye on every aspect of your business is critical to your success. Reports and analytics in Onshape Enterprise provide managers and executives with unprecedented visibility into the data that drives their design process. Viewing activity over the last few weeks shows how much time was spent on each project, how many documents have been approved, and details of user activity and sign-in location. With each report, you can drill down for more information. A high number of pending releases, for example, may be cause for concern. This level of insight into your design process enables you to be more proactive and address potential issues early on. Managing resources and distributing design tasks is much easier when you have the data to back you up. You can see which documents and projects a user is working on, and in the project dashboard, how much time has been spent on the entire project, ideal if you bill by the hour. Activity trends are a good measure of the state of a project. High modeling and low drawing activity may indicate that this project is behind schedule and requires more resources to get it finished on time. These kinds of detailed insights are just not possible with old CAD and PDM, and progress report meetings are now a thing of the past. These are just some of the analytics available in Onshape Enterprise to help you make informed, data-driven business decisions. Onshape Enterprise extends your competitive advantage by providing additional security, control, and universal access to your data, real-time analytics and insights into your design process, and of course, state-of-the-art 3D CAD and built-in data management.